Welcome back to Histories of Airliners and our ongoing exploration of British Airways' rich heritage. In our previous installments, we've traced the airline's evolution from its humble beginnings to its status as a global aviation giant. Today, we embark on a new chapter as we delve into the history of Dan Air London. This independent carrier, with its distinctive character and entrepreneurial spirit, made a significant contribution to the tapestry of British aviation before eventually merging with British Airways. Join us as we uncover the story of this remarkable airline and its enduring impact. From its modest beginnings in the 1950s with a single Douglas DC-3, Dan Air London soared to become a formidable force in the British aviation industry. This independent airline, born out of the dedication and enthusiasm of its founders, rapidly expanded its fleet and routes. Through strategic acquisitions and a keen eye for opportunity, Dan Air grew into a major player in both charter and scheduled flights. Its innovative approach to business and its ability to adapt to the changing market conditions solidified its position as a leading carrier. However, the turbulent landscape of the airline industry eventually led to the merger with British Airways, marking the end of an era for this iconic British airline. Dan Air London's humble beginnings, as stated before, can be traced back to the 1950s when it acquired the assets of an earlier airline known as Meredith Air Transport, allowing the new company to start operating as a small charter airline with a single Douglas DC-3. Dan Air quickly expanded its fleet and route network. The airline's early years were marked by a focus on charter flights, primarily serving the burgeoning tourism industry. With a keen eye for opportunity, Dan Air steadily grew its operations, acquiring additional aircraft and expanding its reach. A pivotal moment in the airline's history arrived with the acquisition of cargo freighter airline Skyways International. This strategic move significantly bolstered Dan Air's fleet and expertise, positioning it as a major player in the competitive British aviation market. Skyways International emerged in the 1970s as a player in British aviation in its own right. Founded in 1971 from the leftovers of the former airline known as Skyways Codeshare, Skyways initially focused on domestic and short-haul routes. Its fleet composed of a mix of propeller aircraft such as Douglas DC-3s and Hawker Siddeley 748s and catered to a diverse clientele. Over the 3 years that Skyways International was independent, it developed a reputation for reliable service and operational efficiency. However, as the airline industry underwent rapid changes, Skyways found itself seeking opportunities for growth and consolidation. This ultimately led to its acquisition by Dan Air London, a move that marked a pivotal moment for both airlines and set the stage for Dan Air's transformation to a major force in the British aviation landscape. Scottish Airlines, a pioneer of Scottish aviation, emerged in 1946 as a subsidiary of Scottish Aviation Limited. This airline played a vital role in post-war Britain, operating a diverse range of services including passenger and cargo charters, as well as contract flights for other carriers. Scottish Airlines also made significant contributions to the Berlin airlift and served as a troop carrier for the British Armed Forces. Despite its early successes, the airline faced challenges in the competitive aviation market. Ultimately, economic pressures forced Scottish Airlines into liquidation. However, its legacy lived on. Dan Air London recognized the value of Scottish Airlines assets and acquired key elements of the business, including aircraft and routes. This strategic move expanded Dan Air's operations and solidified its position as a major player in the British airline industry. The acquisition of Skyways International proved to be a catalyst for Dan Air's growth. With a significantly expanded fleet and route network, the airline solidified its position as a dominant force in the British charter market. Dan Air's drive forward continued to enhance innovation as it explored new destinations and introduced a variety of services to meet the evolving needs of its customers. The airline's reputation for reliability and customer satisfaction grew, making it a popular choice for both leisure and business travelers. However, the competitive landscape of the airline industry and economic challenges of the late 20th century posed significant hurdles. Despite its resilience, Dan Air ultimately faced financial pressures that necessitated a merger. In 1992, the airline's journey as an independent entity came to an end when it was acquired by British Airways, marking a significant chapter in the history of both airlines. And so concludes our exploration of Dan Air London, a remarkable airline that left an indelible mark on the British aviation landscape. From its humble beginnings with a single aircraft to its rise as a major player in the industry, Dan Air's story is one of entrepreneurial spirit, resilience, and innovation. While its journey as an independent carrier ultimately ended with the merger into British Airways, the legacy of Dan Air lives on. Its contributions to the development of air travel in Britain, its pioneering role in charter flights, and its unwavering commitment to customer service continue to inspire generations of aviation enthusiasts. So what do you think of Dan Air London's unique journey? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome aviation content. Want to be part of something bigger than just watching videos? By becoming a member, you're not just supporting your favorite creator, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion. Enjoy exclusive perks, early video viewing, and the thrill of shaping the channel's future. Your support directly fuels the creation of even more amazing videos, in-depth analysis, and interactive experiences. Together we can build something truly special. So why wait? Join our community today and let's embark on this exciting journey together.